Welcome to the fascinating world of cosmic phenomena, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the incredible events that shape the cosmos. Our journey begins with supernovae, the awe-inspiring explosions of massive stars. When these stellar giants reach the end of their life cycle, they release an extraordinary amount of energy, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. Black holes, enigmatic and captivating, possess an intense gravitational force that nothing, not even light, can escape from. They exist as celestial traps in space, bending the fabric of space-time. Nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust, are cosmic nurseries where stars are born. Some nebulae showcase stunning hues due to the interaction of light with the materials they contain. Our very own star, the Sun, exhibits remarkable solar flares eruptions on its surface that unleash massive bursts of energy and charged particles into space. Gamma-ray bursts, among the most powerful explosions in the universe, emit intense gamma rays. Their origin remains a subject of scientific intrigue. The cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow permeating the universe, provides crucial evidence for the Big Bang theory, offering insights into the universe's early moments. Galactic collisions, while spanning millions of years, are a cosmic dance where galaxies interact due to their mutual gravitational attraction, shaping the cosmic landscape. Dark matter and dark energy are mysterious components that together make up most of the universe. They remain invisible, yet their influence governs the expansion and structure of the cosmos. Planetary nebulae, despite their name, have no relation to planets. Instead, they are beautiful shells of gas formed from the outer layers of dying stars. Gravitational lensing, a cosmic phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity, occurs when massive objects bend light, creating stunning visual distortions of more distant objects. From supernovae to gravitational lensing, the universe is a captivating stage for cosmic phenomena that continue to inspire scientists and stargazers alike. As we ponder the mysteries of space, let us remember that the cosmos holds endless wonders, waiting to be explored and understood.